Check this out, guys. Key copy, kiosk over here, vending machine, whatever you want to call it. Get started. You can pick any keys. We'll go with that one.
Insert your key below. Please insert and hold your key below with the teeth facing up.
That's it. Check this out. You can actually see all the keys inside there. Okay, it's, I guess, scanning the key. So we sit there and wait. Key scan is processing.
Select your new keys.
So then we can pick a key. How about this one? Don't worry, guys, it's not for me. Make a key. Get another key. No thanks. Go to the card. So just scan that. Okay, authorizing. Receipt. No.
Your free digital key backup.
Okay, and now we're looking at this thing spinning. It grabs the key and grabs it. You see there is a pin. That's why the pin so you guys can see. And it makes the key. Grab the key, and there's a processing line actually that was forgot to
Don't
film.
fly off without your keys.
And it tells
Please
you
remove your key
take
and
this.
rest safe with our accuracy
All
guarantee.
set. Pretty awesome and easy. What's up, guys? I'm in Gallup, Tennessee, and we got here King's, the world's smallest shoe store. Check this out. So right now there's no shoes because of what's been happening. Looks like there's some masks and I think snowboarding socks because there is, I think, somewhat snowboarding in the winter time. There's a gondola thing. So let's see what it's all about. Looks like world's smallest shoe store, and there's measuring your feet in euro size and inside the US size. I'm size 13 already. You know, you gotta take your shoes off to measure it. So let's see how it works. Push to start, and then it tells you which ones you want. Let's say I want some socks. Let's do maybe like what, 51 or actually 41. So so slide the card once you figure this out. Check this out. Oh cool, it's kind of pushes out. That's nice. I wish it was shoes, not the socks. And there's socks. Oh no, that was the socks. There's a box. There's the socks. Pretty cool. So no socks because I guess there is no shoes enough. So they have masks and socks. Pretty cool.